Hello guys, my name is Prashant. I am pass out of IIM Indore and currently working as a product manager in one of the startups. So I am getting lot of queries regarding the BA program. So from yesterday onwards, few people are getting mails from IIM Bangalore to show your interest in IIM Bangalore PGP BA program. So I thought to make this video. So first of all, these are not calls. This is just to take your interest. If you show the interest, then after that you will be considered for shortlisting of this program. So लोग बहुत कंफ्यूज हैं इस प्रोग्राम को लेके कि ये एग्जैक्ट पीजीपीपीए में करना क्या होता है. तो आई हैव मेड सम questions, like frequently are questions by participant, and I'm going to answer them one by one. So first question is, what is the difference between IIM B PGPBA and IIM Calcutta PGDBA? First of all, इक्विवेलेंस अगर हम देखें तो सबसे ज्यादा इक्विवेलेंट मुझे जो मिलता है IIMC के PGDBA से वो है MS in business analytics or MS in data science. Why I'm making this statement? Because in PGDBA we have two partner institutes. One is your ISI Kolkata and second one is IIT KJP. So they are going to include mathematics in detail and technical aspect from coming from IIT Kharagpur. But जो IIM बैंगलोर का PGP BA प्रोग्राम है वो जो इक्विवेलेंट होगा वो STEM MBA का होगा. So STEM is not used in India. So first of all, full form of STEM is science, technology, engineering and mathematics. And STEM MBA means the business education that can be applied in STEM. So इसका इक्विवेलेंट जो मिलता है वो STEM MBA से होता है. तो IIM बैंगलोर का जो MBA इन BA है वो फोकस करेगा एनालिटिक्स पे, but not purely on analytics, that how you are going to implement in marketing, how you are going to implement in finance. Now I am going to second question. Does MBA in business analytics mean I'll not get room to study business enough? So if someone is having any such confusion, they should go and just have a look at the syllabus or the term wise syllabus of PGPBA. Term 1 is completely aligned with PGP program. Term 2 is also aligned with PGP program. In term 3, you will find like 50% common subjects you are going to study with like few of the electives from analytics. In term 4, you are going to get 4 core analytics courses and option to choose the other 2 courses according to your choice. Then in term 5 and term 6 doesn't have any core analytics course. So this I have collected from the PGP BA participant, as well as I have seen the syllabus also. So it doesn't mean that you are not going to get enough of exposure to business. So I have told you already that you are going to take for only analytics electives in term 3 and term 4. Apart from this, you are free to take any of the elective programs that are being taught in IIM Bangalore. The third question that I get frequently is, do I need to learn coding? So I have interacted with lot of PGPBA participants, and as per them, not more than 25% of their batchmates were coming from the coding background or they know coding. So means out of 4, only 1 was knowing coding in their batch of specific to PGPBA. So if you don't know the even the coding basics, and if you are eager to learn or if you have attitude to learn, then you can learn at the campus. And even nowadays we see a lot of new coding platforms like no code coming to the picture. You can make your apps or you can do your work without even doing a lot of coding. You just need to know the basics of coding. Then one thing I believe in, like, no role in the future or no role in present days is going to be completely managerial role or completely technical role. So only the techno managerial role is going to exist in the future. Why I'm making this statement? Because even if you like grow up in your ladder, maybe you'll be asked to like work on lot of data or you'll be presented lot of data. So you may some days be writing one simple SQL query to put your data at place, or that gamut of data that you are going to get. So don't run away from the coding. If you know the basics of coding, then it is going to help you a lot in your career. Then people say that PGPBA is the backdoor entry to the IIM Bangalore. My answer to them is no, because if you check the minimum percentile at which people get entry in PGP program or PGPBA program, you will find that PGPBA program gets people at higher percentiles, and the cutoff percentiles for PGPBA guys are more. So that you can never say that PGPBA is a backdoor entry. Plus, why IIM Bangalore introduced this program? So now they want to include some a specific program. So like, yeah, they have included BA flavor and they made this PGP BA program. Maybe in future they will include finance flavor more, and they will call it PGP in finance, or maybe PGP in marketing with the marketing flavor. So this is the first program that they are trying, and I think this, if once they find that this program is getting popularity in the market, they can introduce more PGP finance or marketing programs in future. Then how are the placements at PGPBA? So only I have checked the data. So they are doing equally good as PGP participant, the IIM Bangalore's flagship program. Almost 95% of the companies are allowing the people from PGPBA to sit in the placement, same as PGP guys. So there is no much different. So if you are like only interested in those 5% companies, then yes, you may not be allowed there. But yes, 95% companies are allowing. So if you think that if your aim is to join MBB, so McKinsey, Bain, and BCG after this, so they all three big consulting firms allows PGPBA candidates also. Then how is the exchange program for PGPBA? So this query I've also got from few people. So same as like whatever criteria you have to uh, clear for PGP flag exchange program, then same it will be applicable to PGPBA also. So if you are eligible in flagship program, then maybe in PGPBA program you are also going to get the foreign exchange. Then my suggestion, if someone is interested in my suggestion, so my suggestion will be you show the interest for now. If you are getting shortlisted, PGPBA getting options to equivalent to PGPBA. So I place PGPBA above, like in any MBA, like I am Indore or I am Kozhikode. Then you can choose out of those. If you have any other query, you can reach out me on WhatsApp at given the number, and I'll happy to take your queries. Thank you from my side.